Hi, welcome to the Magic and Beyond. If you're new, I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Tom.
And today we've got some new pins that we got from the parks and Loungefly.com and Pink All Mode. And we're also going to unbox some Loungefly mystery boxes.
Okay, I got a couple for my anniversary/birthday here. The first one we got from Loungefly.com.
Loungefly.com.
They got them. It is a 4-inch Wally Pixar. Wally Pixar.
Wally Pixar,
the same
yeah.
thing. 4-inch. It's pretty heavy. And how much was it? 15?
They were 15 each.
15 each? Okay.
So you've got 4 different ones in this little collection, but they also have some of the princesses and the villains you can also get on there.
Yeah.
Yep, so then it does have like a removable like kickstand, so if you don't want to put it on a pin board, you can actually remove the little stand, or prop it up with a little stand on your desk or something. Got Wally.
And with Wally, I had to get, I guess, Eva. Or Eve.
Eve. Yeah. And they're based on like the Funko Pops. So they got the big head and the big eyes.
This was also $15.99.
15.
15.
Yeah. Yep.
I think
They're
Wally's
really heavy. Yeah.
I think Wally's heavier.
Yeah. And it comes in like a nice like felt casing around it just to help protect it. So you could always just display it in the box instead of
We'll just take one on. So.
taking them out. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. Oh my. Yeah. So, very big, very detailed pin.
Hey there.
And then there's your little removable stand you can take off, and it's got 3 pin backs. Very neat. Yeah, so it's got like a nice felt case to it. Helps denting and scratching.
Not with me. All right. The other one I got was Toy Story. So it's the 25th?
Yep.
25th anniversary?
Yep. Limited edition of 2000.
Yep. Which we got at the park. Which was it the park itself, or was it at?
It was at Pin Trading Headquarters, the pin store underneath the Epcot Ball, where you can go to fix anything with PhotoPass and all that. It's in there with all the pins.
I don't know if I want to hang these up or not.
I don't know. I kind of like it's got the theming background and all that.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a cute one. It even has Andy on the little bottoms of their feet.
Oh, jeez.
Which now if you go in a store and you buy Woody and Buzz, I believe it actually says Bonnie on the foot and no longer Andy. So, at least these say Andy. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, we got some stuff from Pink All Mode. So we're going to show you all that. But so this was the little card that we got in it. It's like a trading card size. And our order was packed by Kiki. We got 2 boxes of Mystery Cocoa Pins. And we will open these in another video. But we got 5 boxes of the Cinderella blind box. So we're excited.
How much were these?
These were, I want to say they were $8.90, but they were running a sale at the time. Because we're starting with,
You can't open my Coco.
So while he's opening that one, we did get Coco before. Here's the 2 pins we have so far. We have Hector and like the sugar candy skull. We got Mama Riviera.
Yep. Which we did not have.
We did not
Nice.
have, no. Yeah. I just like the detail in it.
Yeah, she scares me.
I like it. And it's got like the gold backing. The little Loungefly crowns, and it's got that Pixar on the back.
Ha!
So, very nice. Like these. What do we get? Oh, we got another sugar.
Did we have?
Yeah, we got a sugar scar. Yeah.
That's okay.
So we'll probably trade some pins on our Instagram. We'll post some of our duplicate pins we have and probably trade them. So another thing we got in our Pink a la Mode order was the, I think it's on Eve. her little green
It lights up when she has the plant.
Yep. So this was just cute. We're looking at possibly doing like denim jackets with some different iron-on patches from Disney. So next we've got some Disney Princess perfume bottles. We got these off Box Lunch. They were $9.90. And yeah.
Oh, look. Cocoa.
Oh yeah, so
It goes with the cocoa.
The pins that we have on from the box actually match that bag. So those little icons are on this Pixar bag. Let's see. So like, let me see. We got find a good.
Of course, you wouldn't find her there.
So it's just the pin version. I like when they do the pins that match the different backpacks.
I better not touch this.
So we got the princesses. So their dress is shaped as perfume bottles. So I kind of want Belle. What do you want?
Done.
None.
Ariel.
Ariel. All right. So let's see what we get. Get bigger bags than your cocoa ones. All right. So our first pin was Pocahontas. I like the detail and like the little pump and all that. They've actually put the detail like you would feel the texture on it. So very cute. It's gold finish and all that. And then it does say Disney on the back. You want to open a box?
No.
No.
Yes.
Got two more. We'll see what else we get here. There we go.
Tiana.
Tiana's another favorite princess in our house.
Doesn't work though.
No, it doesn't work. Yeah, I like the color of it. Yeah. And it's even got her little crown at the top there. That's cute. It's kind of got like a stained glass look to it. So let's see what our last one is. And our last one is... Oh, we got another Pocahontas. We got two Pocahontases and a Tiana. So we'll have to maybe get some other ones to see what else we can get. Yeah. Alright.
Gotta run my room. Well, this is a quick one.
Yeah. But we'll have more pins coming as we do more unboxings and some mystery blind bag items we found at our local Target. We got some like keychains. So we're looking forward to seeing what those are. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that is it. Yeah. It's quick.
So if you don't follow us, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can also follow us on YouTube or subscribe to us on YouTube. Yeah. You like that pin, don't you?
Not really.
So I think that's it.
That is it.
Yep. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.